Hello my guys, welcome to another episode. I have an exciting episode. Finally I'm gonna replace the reflectors on the bumper for my 2019 RAV4. So shout out to CarTrimHome. They sent me this. It's gonna be the rear tail fog light lamps for the 2019 and 2020 RAV4. I didn't go with the red ones, I go with the black ones. The black housing. It's gonna look more stealth, and I'm really excited about this installation. This is what we're replacing. It's gonna be really easy. We have to remove the bumper, few clips on the bottom, on the side. This is screwed right here. We have to remove the tail lights for the connections, and pretty much that's it. So let's get to it. Right here on the bottom we have a clip. I'm gonna use my screwdriver to remove it. Then we have a 10mm right here. We have another clip. Three clips, and then just those pins, and remove the trim. We have this clip right here. Right here on the corner we have one screw, 10mm. Right underneath we have one pin and one more right there. For the tail light we have this cover, just pull it. We have 3 bolts, one for the bumper, 2 for the tail light. When you pull the tail light, don't pull it all the way, pull it so it releases the tabs, but not too much because you might damage the cables. This is the cables where we're gonna tap the new fog lamps. So I'm gonna remove it so I don't scratch the paint. Next step, remove the bumper. You're gonna start pulling right in the corner. I remove my gloves so I don't scratch the paint. Be careful with this step. Pull it but not too hard so you don't break any clips. Hold it right there. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Right here I have the reflector, one screw, here on our cables, on the connector with 2 cables, we're gonna do red with green and white, black with black, and on the one with 3 connectors we're gonna do the green with the white, which is gonna be the dim light. So it's gonna be this one for this, and black with black, red with green and white. I don't like to mess with the electrical, like splicing wires and all that. That's why I'm using these tabs. And still I don't like to do this, but still I want those lights. So, but one thing that we have to do to the bumper, because these cables are in the middle, I gotta drill a hole right in the middle to put the cables through. I'm gonna do that, put the bumper, and then do my splicing. Got the holes in place. Now, this is the look that I was looking for. More stealth. Look at that. Awesome. Repeat the same process on the other side. Let's see if the lights work. I'm gonna do some footage at night. You're gonna see how good they look. They look amazing. There you have it. Now I just gotta put all the bolts and clips in. Seal this rubber seal just a little bit so you can put the cable through it. That's my cable right there. Nobody's gonna know. Okay guys, just to finish, shout out again to CarTrimHome. If you remember, they sent me those folding and unfolding mirrors. Link is gonna be in the description for those. Also, thanks to them, I have those lights for the trunk. They make a lot of difference now. And now we have those lights on the bumper. Amazing. Look at those lights. Oh, they look really good. Okay, my guys, I'll leave it with that. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.